Every day, YouTube users watch over a billion, yes, with a B, hours of YouTube videos, and yet only 9% of small businesses have bothered to launch their own channels. As YouTube usage continues to rise, the opportunity for businesses ready to jump in is getting bigger. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up a YouTube channel for your business and how to create compelling videos to engage existing customers as well as attract new ones. We'll also share with you the most effective strategies for building a successful YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a YouTube channel so that you can create great videos and also make money. Don't forget to subscribe to Hungry Dollars to see more videos just like this. And once you do, let's get started. Number 1. Create a YouTube account. To set up a YouTube account for your business channel, you'll need to be logged into the Google account you plan to use to manage the channel. Having a brand account to manage your channel instead of a personal channel can make it easier for you to scale, as you can add multiple managers using their own Google logins, eliminating the need to share password information for your personal email. This is a quick overview of the steps to set up a new account for your company's YouTube channel. Access YouTube while logged into the Google account you want to use to manage your account, and go to the YouTube channel changer. You should see your personal account, any brand accounts you currently manage, and the option to create a new channel. When you click Create a New Channel, you'll be taken to a screen where you can create a new brand account. Choose a channel name for your new account and click Create. Here, you can see upload and profile pictures, such as your brand's logo. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a YouTube page for your business. Number 2. Create your channel image. Okay, now that you know how to create a YouTube channel for your business, take some time to make it look its best. Here are a few simple steps you can take to give your channel a more professional look and make sure your customers know how to find you online. Channel icon. When you create a channel from scratch, your channel icon will be associated with your business account profile photo. To change it, YouTube will prompt you to update your account. It's recommended to use a JPEG, BMP, PNG, or non-animated GIF with a size of 800 by 800 pixels. You should also make sure it displays well at smaller sizes and is cropped both square and circular, as YouTube will use your channel icon in multiple places. Channel graphic. Adding channel images is a great way to show your brand's personality and create visual, appealing YouTube profile. Your channel image should be less than 4 megabytes and at least 2048 by 1152 pixels, although YouTube recommends choosing 2560 by 1440 pixels for best results on all devices. YouTube gives you a preview for each image you load to show you how it'll display on different devices. You can also edit the cropping of your image. Number 3. Fill out your profile. To unlock all the customization options for your channel, you need to click on the gear icon in the area below your channel image. This will bring up a pop-up window titled Channel Settings. Look for the Customize the layout of your channel option and enable it. Click Save. You'll now be presented with a wider range of options divided into 5 tabs: Home, Videos, Playlists, Channels, and About. Go to the About tab to edit the details of your store. Under Description, give a brief overview of your store, products, and goal. Think of the most important keywords for your store and use them in your channel description so you can be found on YouTube searches. Be sure to include your contact email address as well. You should also include links to your social media accounts and your store, as these links can be displayed above your channel image and are highly visible to your audience. Most of your links will only show the favicon, the small image that appears at the top of your browser. By default, most of your links will only show the favicon, which is the small image that appears at the top of your browser, but the first link in the row will also show you the link title. At the top right, you'll find a section titled Featured Channels, where you can showcase other YouTube channels owned by your brand or managed by your staff. Number 4. Schedule your content. Now that your channel is ready to launch, you should start thinking about your videos. Videos can be an essential part of your content marketing strategy. It's a fantastic way to provide your customers with high-quality, informative, and entertaining content that will keep them coming back to you. Plus, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So, if you optimize your videos to be found in search, you can attract new customers there who are looking for what you have to offer. While the quality of your videos is important, it's just as important to keep your target audience in mind. Create a channel trailer for new site visitors. When creating a new YouTube channel, be sure to create a compelling channel trailer. A channel trailer is like a movie trailer. It's meant to give people a preview of what your channel has to offer. Your channel trailer is probably the next thing a viewer will see after your channel image and channel icon. It will play automatically when non-subscribers visit your YouTube page. If you design it right, your channel trailer can help convert visitors into subscribers. You can set up your YouTube trailer in 7 steps. Upload the video you want to become your channel trailer. Go to the channel you want to manage. Select Customize Channel. Go to the Home tab. Click on the For New Visitors tab. Click Edit. Select Change Trailer or Remove Trailer. When creating your trailer video, think about what makes your own channel unique, what makes up your brand personality, and why people should subscribe to your channel. There's no magic formula for creating a YouTube channel trailer, but start by engaging your visitors in the first few seconds. Leave a good impression on visitors and conclude by asking them to subscribe to your channel. Number 6. Upload your first YouTube video. Now that you have learned all the basics of creating a YouTube channel and spent some time creating and editing your videos, it's time to go live with just a few clicks. Go to your channel and click Upload Video to upload your video file using the YouTube Video Creator. Once you have uploaded your first video, you'll land in YouTube Studio, where you can edit your video's details, upload videos, manage your channel, and grow your community. Here, you can enter a detailed video description and more information about the video's topic. Number 7. Upload new videos regularly. If you want your efforts on YouTube to pay off for your business, it's important that you create videos regularly. It's very rare for a YouTube journey to become an overnight success, so consistency is key. Channels that are consistent in their approach reliably increase viewership because it's easier for people to watch and subscribe to more videos. You'll probably notice this when you browse the feeds of your favorite YouTubers. Number 8. Analyze your results. Once your YouTube channel is up and running, you should track its performance. Here are some of the metrics available in YouTube Analytics. Viewing time, estimated time spent watching your content. Traffic source. Here, you can see how your videos are being found by viewing the different traffic sources and the total number of views per source. Subscriber rate. This tells you how many followers you lose or gain per video. Viewer retention. This tells you exactly when visitors stopped watching your video. Using this information, you can find out where you lost a viewer's attention and what caused them to abandon the video, which will help you improve future videos. Comments. In your YouTube Analytics dashboard, you can monitor who's commenting on which videos so you can easily respond and make your brand look appealing and engaging. Now that you know how to start your own YouTube channel, you can begin your money-making journey. Do not forget to write about your journey here and subscribe to our Hungry Dollars channel. Have a great day.